have to check on your friends.
Hey, this guy is gonna right. Remember, you have to sign in before you get in here.
No, man, they know me. Those guys know me.
I'm cooking.
Okay.
The building material
Oh.
yeah, I'm cooking it for.
It's from Magic.
No, this is for SABC. Yo, I wish you job something I can learn from. To keep buying.
I check me to Richard the Corona, man. You don't check up my
Corona as in
coronavirus.
Oh. Job was one of my learn from.
You never know.
Coffee? Oh, I'm on coffee.
Okay.
Look at green tea.
Oh.
You in la way, my kite law. I draw. Could not get us casting go very. I found now come back. No back of him one yarn, but never. I used to recall.
Okay. Right. It's another lungula.
Sulances. Already la no say why in coffee. This is the pampir. Full draw around beer yeah. You mess up the fire.
Try one.
Yeah, you mess up one. Come back la coffee.
Okay.
La no we love la filter coffee. Was it? Coffee leyi no aku loko hi karhi hi but overnight. Ni nga tleli siku hinkwaro khan delight edit tin'wanyana n'wana ba creating stories.
Problem ralo ma ku se titala kuma munhu wa rimbewu.
No, leyiwani coffee a yi vhila va rimbewu leyiwani se yi inani ngopfu.
Oh,
Yo ku laveka phepha ra yi-1.
Yeah, but this is one.
Ri phambarhele ngopfu ri fanele ri hara kumbe xixi ya na ku ri le henhla se loko ri ri henhla hi avoid u nga kuma ku ve na ti-germs before na ti-corona leta n'wina to a ndzi nga ka yena le ya brown hi ti-j ku na yes yo coffee ya kona
Coffee le a yona le ya ko control.
hi le ya ntshava hi le loko leyiwa a wu tleli it doesn't matter ku endla yini a wu tleli as long as ri ku tirheni leyiwa coffee
Kumbe a yi lavi munhu a single leyiwa guys.
no yona yi lava yi kha yi tirha hi michini kumbe yi kha yi tirhisa michini. It's either yi tirha hi michini loko yi nwa leyi kumbe ivi yi kha yi tirhisa michini. So na ku ndlela coffee i ta ya va byela kwala i tirha kona ku ri hayi a ni vhakele maraxi leyi
Amozama ku prevent
wa vona yi fana na misava njhani yi fana na misava nga leya yi boila leya nga chavi leswi yi fana na misava coffee leyiwani mina ni yi vitana coffee ya misava.
Smells very nice though.
wa ke ni n'wina njhani?
Smells very nice. I'm already, salivating already.
So hi wo michini wa kona lowu
Hi chela kwini leswa taco?
a benini michini lowuwani
Se ku humelela. What's going to happen?
a ni se yi fakile coffee ya hina se yi faka lana ku za ku yi filter coffee phepha leri a hi nga ri faka hi rona yi filteraka.
Oh, she's going to hold it. Is there a magnet?
hayi yi nghena ndzeni ka ku na swona swina
I
leswa
see.
yi nghena ndzeni ka xiporo so
Okay.
ivi yi inana kumbe ku ingetiwa kettle liyani
Yeah.
so DJ wena chela mati ya lamana no ya ma cheli kwala hinkwawo tshama ku ri coffee loko xi xo xi sungula ku rhunda coffee xi rhundela ndzeni ka chamber leyi yo chamber ya koho leyiwani ivi mi kota ku yi enjoy yi almost la
Yeah, I think it's on.
se lano hi le brewery ya coffee michini wa ku brewery ku vona lava ka tibachini to hinkwenu hi ku ka brewery lano se hi pressa na la ivi yi sungula i ta twa loko yi
How long
vila.
does it take?
It doesn't take long. a good 5 minutes.
Why would you drink coffee like this though?
Because this is the real coffee, it's original. So loko yi endliwe so a yi fana na letiya tin'wanyana ta ti-refined coffee and stuff. Because loko yi filtara la a yi hisi ti-very ti-nutrients leti kumekaka ndzeni ka coffee. Na rivala ku caffeine yi kahle endzeni ka munhu.
Not too much of it.
Not too much of it. Very too much of everything is detrimental to your health.
Not too much of
Yes.
I should buy speed. I just go buy speed.
Tobalana.
Yeah. Look, ibanyana.
I want to say something.
Look, ibanyana tsika. Ilanda ngo vakuzuma iri domu. Look, buy tsika. Buy tsika. Itomna tinatu. I don't speak of that why bina.
So na your coffee the way. I love too much. Oh, so all we saw muna.
So if I hear you say you run the way tell
you filtera. Say kusukela no aya tata dating. Kuya mtsembera. Kuya kunandi. Also this.
So chero together. You know
Unchill coffee together.
Okay, I mean but ngeliwa ngetshe na cha. I is too strong though.
How very strong.
How do you
the
measure
strongest coffee in the world? Ita measure way yo. Loko phepha leri nga ro xala na xiphepa lexa.
Maringana matala na machela.
Yi ringana yi fambelana matala na machela.
So I know I can understand from there.
In December. I think it was the day before then.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, I was stressed that day.
I was ostracized the day before then.
That day I was stressed around
A day before then. Yeah, no, I get sick every day after then.
I get sick.
I get admitted. When I think you just get sick.
Hey, drama, I
I
get
nearly in medical clinic.
I went there.
Chavi wa tlelela wo. Ani angana medical aid.
Stuck before go child.
Un'wana na un'wana wa vabya after vene ya tirhisana xo leha but the thing yo ku ya kwile ku heta ku va mandzele medical clinic but pfuxiwa ti breakfast na ti oats loko mfula yi chava ku pfuke mukapu wa makhawa
Tobe ni ri.
xava ni mathikiti vanhu va hosi na ku at least chava ta kota ku kuma medical aid.
Ni gine khale kambe.
Mr. Tof. Matlama machira na mafika ku. See we're getting there.
I think Matele.
Mano kusanza self-cooking na mtawe.
Don't know. Somewhere that we zombie. I coffee njani ndo ntima so guys. Lava Minnesota ka ilala. Kumshina ita hola corona.
Corona le miranda mo.
Look guys, I think it's my coronavirus is serious. Man, look really na. Kai klaisi. Look umkhohlela ndekati mask. Look muna a ri swihambukelweni mi tirhisa ti-tissue mihlamba mavoko vana loko huma yi chaya hi ndlela
Vanhu lava na mhaka na swona.
Vana genge leyi
I fanele ku munhu loyi
oh so yi fanele yi dilute hi mati
no I dilute laniwani hi sat cup but
oh
loko coffee yi nandziha loko yi kuma xilo xi karhi xi hisa so mati lama mati yo hisa ni hisa nda tshama ma dipa ni machuluka mara ku timagi letiwa ti va ta kha ta hisa ku na loko i nwa coffee ya wena yi kuma content ka ti hisa a no swo mi lomu tihotela va nga swo this is laniwa hi le it's pre-production side ya leswi mi nga mi kuma ni kha ni swi endla laha so swi sungula laniwa a ni you know ku ri in terms of television there's pre-production there's production loko se ku ya ku xutiweni and there's post-production so post-production hi leswi endlaka maraji leyi swa ti-editing and stuff
swi lava endliwa ti-research planning
yeah this is where research
storyboards
amen wona mabodi lama nga la shooting schedules
I see
yeah
okay
the last time I saw komba ku na ku rhandza, but not in a way that you loving you as a brother.
No, Maraj, you're not my type. Can you clarify something, guys? People, actually, this gives us an opportunity. Maraj is not my type.
And then go.
You are not my type, please, guys.
Na mbanga ri type yena nga ta na fonda.
Na wena nga ta nantswa.
Wait, you know, John. Vi kumbalance ka ximbilwani la. Mina I love it black. Ni fana na mama ila wale kanjaka njaka.
So, do we taste now or you can email it all?
Coffee na ndeka yisa.
Ay. Ngata sambi diwa la.
Ah, this is good coffee, man. I tell you this soup. You down? Na coffee ay. So la no an.
I like when you want to cook.
Loko ni kha ni kula an watcha show lewa. DJ. Taka sam. Usually, I think I edit suit. I can get the liquids and stuff. When you have worked hard underway and you have made a name for yourself, because they understand the professionalism. So this is where I cook everything in from.
What do you like like you don't delay, you don't queen. No, I think I don't like the kind of guys, not take opportunity. What really tell we don't queen scholar and then
Msaka maraji, ntwana ka maraji, ndle ka mjamjam. High school ngene keto ni ma, right? I tlanga diski swin'we na vamandla va gingirikana a tlanga bolo before a va mhulu. And then loko swi ta ka timhaka ta le tertiary, I went to near Boston Media House. And then I did media studies at Boston Media House. Donenza Media Studies, specializing in radio, advertising, and television production.
Wow, guys, this coffee is nice. I have to say.
Oh yes, yes.
This coffee is nice. Yeah. Cheers.
I'm a sublai. I'm So my fourth year research in the around
Grand Afrikaans
State.
That's UJ.
That's UJ.
Yeah.
Got the wow. If you want that's sort of marriage in color.
Grand Afrikaans, oh, it's all
So I did my thesis that media down in terms of research and everything else, you know, the history of television, whatever. And then yeah. So now Kankarosha Swan marriage is a television production strategist, meaning I'm a content developer in television for historical Shifika Lanwa. Shisungula na mina from its fetal stage. We develop stories or the format of a show. We cultivate it, not the producers, not the directors who sit down. You see, I'm part of those meetings. After the Mali. So na coffee. Na office so na michina so. It's number one. It's just fancy. Marina bafana abambala kuma jombo emfumo.
Nabambala kuma helmet kamera
construction work. Yeah. Mali leka ka mali la ke. Let me tell you something. Engapfuki esikolweni ku ela ku endla media studies. Engapfuki esikolweni ku ela ku endla television. Wa Google how to shoot, how to create a show. You Google these things. Iya xigele yandla engineering ya we yandla IT. Uvuya kana madyambu wa mjato ya vanhu. Endla mali ya tlhelo. Nuku advice. Full advice kusaka maraji. Leswi timhaka ta ku na swi lava ku tlhela xikolweni endla IT boy. Mara ti dyeta magoveni. Karawa kona. Responsibility tshama henhla ka switshamo.
Na swihlangi swi tele.
Na swihlangi a kha chulula lembe na lembe.
Okay guys, hi swona leswi a ni kumi swona eka nkanelo wa gingirikani. No, swi ya ka wena i swa wena leswi.
Hi le ka nkanelo wa gingirikani.
No, wa le ka nkanelo wa gingirikani. Hi le ka Maraj Entertainment.
Oh, hi le ka The Raj Man.
Yeah.
Ni vhakele hi mandla wa gingirikani. Kahle mani fanele ni vutisa yena. Hi mandla u huma ku kaya?
Guys, that's not fair.
U huma ku kaya mandla?
I la ku byela mali ya ku mina huma kwihi?
Yeah, wena ni vutisa wehe ku huma kwihi?
Mina huma Agiyani.
U huma Giyani?
Yeah.
Vanhu vo tala loko va voni by ti-inbox mara se loko mandla a ri gay na wena gay se mina ku a ni ta ku yini a ni vona nge ku ni are you gay?
Yes, I'm gay. Loko mi ri kona mi hi khwenuto.
Mi tizele hi za n'wina zindleve ku ri mandla u ri yena.
Guys, this coffee is nice without sugar, actually.
Le ku ni interrupteni, but
Wow,
anyway,
I love the
is nice.
coffee. Beside everything.
Therefore, mi nga titimeli ne hayi ku hetla pfupfipfu na lembe leriwa vana va mhani van ya ha ri kona van 2020 verbal engineering night 2020 yi koho lembe leriwa wa twisisa a hi siza hi hleketa hi venue a swi lava ku cinca venue liyani ku ri hi ta kota ku va na freedom na hinkwenu wa twisisa hi va na freedom hi nghena mabyala
Why nga valani ka Tom? Kuna holo ka Tom.
i mhana nga ta ka Tom ku na vanhu va sukaka eLimbe but do you know ku na vanhu va sukaka Nelspruit mfethu va ta ku ka van ivi ku va na mihlatswa ya ka Gawula va Mpheleni va Lazaro va ku mfanele wa rhuketela hi nge ka sweswa yena Lazaro tshama kaya loko ri hava thikithi ra R100 n'wana mani tshama kaya Lazaro sukela ku sapetela swilo sukela ku sapetela ku na hi DJ ka van a ku ri na taxi suka ka Miyexe yi nga ta ta
I saw that.
aka van a ku ri na vanhu a va huma a Nelspruit va nga ta ta a ku ri na vanhu a va huma a Bush va chomi ta CMC a va ri dama wa swisisa so Nyavutsaka Lazarus la nga fiwa tikweni ra kokwana ka Gawula a ku a nge yima a ku wa rhuketela mi vanhu va Gawula tshama makaya n'wina fu wa swi twa ku yini nhlinyoko tshama kan'we tshama munhu wa Gawula futhi kahlekahle munhu wa ka Gawula ni n'wi lava ka van
Kasi va onhelile.
hayi no a ni va lavi
But you need them.
no I don't need vanhu va Gawula but let me tell you something yima ni byela hi swin'wana yesu i bohe maribye lawa mako a tikweni ra rikulu ra wona the only person who gets supported hi vanhu lava a nga bibula a nga kula na wona i CMC if you can check ka show ya CMC ne
Right.
mfuko wa texta 7 8 9 10 tu maka Mudawula
Guys,
kwa
ane ka CMC ile a Malamulele
Malamulele boxing gym.
Boxing gym.
Yes.
Guys, vanhu va ka Mudawula va support CMC guys. I felt like crying. I'm like, why can't we get the same thing? I mean, look at Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. He supporta ngo ka Malamulele. Ani swi swa Malamulele Bushu na vanhu ve le Tzaneen.
Yeah, sweswi vulavulaka ni na xitandi ka Mudawula.
Is it? Na mimi niko xitandi la ka Malamulele.
Va ku Maraji i ta tshami la. Ala ndzi tsana ku hosi mfumo. Leswo swi chavisa ku atlela ka Mudawula mina.
Yeah.
Ai ko sala kumbe xana ni kumana na xo pfula matihlo. Xa Swana. Loko ri na sesanga 112 Swana ka Mudawula. Kwa ku va chava hi pfalela handle loko ra la leri hi fambela a kule na vasesi wa vona mara ina swi lava ku va na muti leswi ku nga na xitanda ni xitandi xi lava munhu wo xi hlayisa va ka Mudawula no kombela vasesi wa mina tihlanganise na Rajman.
Can we make another coffee?
Yeah, loko yi heta la hi nga hi handla kofi n'wanyana
behind the scenes man.
Thank you for subscribing for nkomola mi mahlweni subscribe ka channel ya Maraji ntwana wa ka Maraji ko kola ka YouTube mi ya mahlweni subscribe ka channel ya Chavi CMC mi ya mahlweni subscribe ka channel ya Boti Happy mi ya mahlweni mi subscribe ka channel ya Nkanelo wa Gingirikani mi ya mahlweni mi subscribe aka channel ya DJ Brian mi ya mahlweni mi subscribe aka channel ya Mafos.
Yeah, but Mafos,
those
last year.
Those are the only YouTube channels that I recognize. Thank you.